In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on Shopify. When setting up your Shopify store, one of the subtle but crucial aspects is how your logo presents itself to your potential customers. It's not just a matter of aesthetics, it's about making sure your brand catches the eye and stays memorable. But sometimes, after you upload your logo, you might find it's not quite as prominent as you hoped. No worries though. I'm here to walk you through, step by step, how to adjust your logo size to ensure it stands out just the way you want. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopify URL. Once you're there, you'll see the main page welcoming you. Now, to get into the nitty-gritty of your store's backend, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, which should be conspicuously placed on the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. After entering your email, you'll naturally progress to the next step, which involves clicking on the login button again. This time it will prompt you to enter your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard of your Shopify account. Here's where the fun begins. The interface is user-friendly, so you'll easily spot the My Store section. Click on that to proceed. Within the My Store section, you're looking for the Online Store subsection. This is essentially the gateway to customizing how your storefront looks to the public. Once you click on Online Store, the next immediate step is to choose the Themes option. Here, Shopify provides a wide array of customization options, but we're focusing on one thing today, making that logo pop. Under Themes, you'll find a button labeled Customize. Clicking this will transport you to a realm where every visual aspect of your store can be tweaked to your heart's content. But let's not wander off, we have a mission. To adjust the size of your logo, in the customization area, look for the Settings option. This is where all the global settings for your theme are housed. After clicking on Settings, you'll want to find and click on the Logo option. This is where you can start the process of making your logo stand out. Now we're getting to the crux of the matter. You'll see an option that says Select Image. This is where you can either upload a new logo or choose one that's already in your media library. If your logo is already uploaded, just select it from the available options. Once your logo is selected, you'll notice a slider or a button that allows you to adjust the width of your logo. This is the tool you'll use to make your logo bigger. Drag it left or right until you're satisfied with how large the logo appears. It's essential to keep an eye on the overall balance of your site's header to ensure your logo enhancement doesn't overpower other elements. And that's it. Once you're happy with the new size of your logo, don't forget to hit Save to make sure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in how potential customers perceive your brand. Before wrapping up, here's a tip. When adjusting your logo size, try to view your website on different devices to ensure it looks good on mobile screens as well as on desktops. Consistency across devices is key to maintaining a professional and reliable image. And there you have it. That's how you make your logo bigger on Shopify. I hope this guide helps you make your store look exactly the way you envisioned. Remember, the visual appeal of your site is crucial, so take the time to get it right. Happy customizing.